Hello. We will see supply and demand analysis. First thing, we are going to start with the demand. I'll show you here how to sketch a graph for the demand curve. Okay, let's say that you have a function saying that P equals to negative 2Q plus 50. Here P stands for price and Q stands for quantity. In demand curve, we always have the coefficient of the quantity is negative. So if you have P equals to negative 2Q plus 50, you know here that the slope will be negative. So if we try to sketch this graph, this will stand for P and this is supposed to be for Q. There are two steps that you're supposed to do here. Once, make the P equals to 0, and in the second step, make the Q equals to 0. So here on this line, Q equals to 0. So let's do P. Okay, let's do P equals to negative 2 times 0 plus 50. This will be gone. So P would be 50. So when Q is 0, P would be 50. This is my first point. In the other point, you're supposed to make the P equals to 0. So 0 equals to negative 2Q plus 50. Take this one to the other side. 2Q equals to 50. Divide both sides by 2. So the value of Q will be 25. When you're plotting the points, be a little bit logical. So if this length is for 50, let's say that half of it might be almost here. So on this point, P equals to 0 and the Q will be 25. So our curve will be this way. And this is the sketching for the function P equals to minus 2Q plus 50.